Hi and welcome to Come Draw With Us. I just recently created a tutorial on how to draw Qbert, so now I'm going to show you how to draw the cube 3D illusion in the background. To help draw the cubes, you want to turn on your drawing guide, click on Edit Drawing Guide, make sure you clicked on Isometric, and then change the pixels to 250 pixels per inch, and this is on a 10 by 10 canvas. So now just go ahead and trace the lines like you see me in the video. Once you've drawn all the lines and they're on one layer, set that layer as a reference, then add a new layer underneath and fill it with a color of your choice. Here I'm just using kind of a turquoise blue. Add a new layer and make it a clipping mask. Choose a light gray and set the blending mode to color burn. Then go ahead and drop in the gray in the cubes that you see me doing on the video. Now select a darker gray and add a new layer also as a clipping mask. Change this blend mode to color burn as well and drop the dark gray into the squares that you see me do here. That's all there is to it. Just go ahead and hide the black lines. If you drew Qbert in the previous tutorial, go ahead and just copy and paste him in here, and there you've got your Qbert with his 3D cube illusion.